Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome to today's video. So today I wanted to share with you what I do when I buy new items and talk to you about my one in, one out rule. Typically, I like to at least do one in, one out, but sometimes I will do one in, two out. And I also wanted to share with you how I go about listing the items that I get rid of for sale on sites like Poshmark. So recently I bought a new pair of jeans from Express. They look like this. And I was looking for something with more of like a mid-rise. Whenever I buy something new, I force myself to either sell or donate or pass on to a friend or family member, something in that same category that I'm no longer using or that I'm not wearing as often. So these jeans that I got from Victoria's Secret a few years ago, they're very similar with the rips. The only thing that I don't like that much about these is they're more of like a mid-rise, which I do like, but lately I am just preferring more of that high rise that really kind of holds you in and sucks you in. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to be listing these ones for sale on Poshmark. And I also recently got a new bathing suit from Target. I really wanted to try out the new like one-piece trend, and I just figured I'd go for something safe for my first one. So I got this really cute one from Target, and it has like the really cute stringy detail in the back. And last year I bought this bathing suit, and it still has the tags on it because I bought it and I thought I was gonna wear it, and then the summer came and it went. I never wore it, and I still have the tags on it. So I am going to be selling this one for sale on Poshmark as well. So not only does this keep the size of your wardrobe and your things like cut down to a minimum, it also forces you to ask yourself, if I buy something new, am I willing to part ways with something older, or am I willing to sell something else? For me, I find that this is the easiest way that I can keep my wardrobe from getting too large and too out of control. And the third thing, and my favorite thing about this, is that you can sell something else. And so for these jeans, I'm hoping to get like $12 for them. That's still 12 bucks, so you can make a little bit of money. If you're not wearing them anyway, why not make a little bit of money? And same with this brand new bathing suit that was never worn. Okay, so let's get into how I go about setting up the listing for sale on Poshmark. So the first thing I do, if you don't have a Poshmark account already, I suggest that you create one. It is super easy. It takes like 5 minutes to create one. What I love about Poshmark is that it's so straightforward to list your items, and the shipping is always just one flat rate. With eBay, it tends to kind of get a little bit tricky when you're trying to list items and you're trying to guess how much it's gonna cost to ship those items. Sometimes you can get burned where you may think it's only gonna cost $7, and in reality, it's gonna cost you like $15. That's what I love about Poshmark. Anything under £5 ships for the same exact rate. So after you get your profile set up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the sell button right here in the middle. And the first thing it's gonna prompt you to do is take a picture. So what I like to do is hang the item up and display it so that it's really easy to see. So I'll do something like that, or I'll hang it from a door, and I will take some pictures of the item, including the tag, and all of the important key details. I typically like to take at least 6 pictures, and you always want to make sure that you're taking pictures in good lighting. So I got 5 pictures taken. I took a picture of the front of the jeans, some ripping detail on the jeans, back of the jeans, the back pocket, and then the tag. So the next thing that it asks you to do are the details. So it asks you, what are you selling? So for this item, I would say VS Siren, London jean, distressed, and then you always wanna obviously make sure you put the size. Now, the only thing that can be a little bit challenging with Poshmark is that the characters and the spacing that they give you is limited. So for example, I'm already over 1. So I put in the description and -1. So I'm gonna change that to, so it just says VS Siren London Jean Distressed Skinny, size 2. I'm gonna put in done. In the next section, it asks you to describe it. So I'm just gonna put a quick description of the jeans. And I'm gonna add that they are in excellent condition, because they are. I think I've literally only worn them like twice. And the next section is super easy to do. So it kind of goes through all the other little details. So category, quantity, size, brand, color. So you just go one by one, click on category. I would put jeans, and then I would put skinny. For the quantity, I would just hit 1. Size, you would put in the size. Brand, it's super easy. There's a search bar. You just type in the brand and the brand will typically pop up. The color. So what I really like about this is you select colors, and you can only select 2 to describe your item. So obviously with this one, I would only select blue, but it just makes it kind of easy and straightforward. And then it asks you new with tags. This one is gonna be no. Original price, I think I paid like $39. Listing price, I'm gonna put $12. Calculate all that information in, and it's gonna show you your earnings. If these get sold, I will make $9.05. Once you're done, you just hit that list button right there. And if you go into your closet, this is my closet, for example, and I can see my new listing right here. So here's the listing, and it has all the information. So it's super easy and super straightforward to do. It literally takes 2 minutes. The hardest, most annoying part about the whole thing is taking the pictures, but if you can get past that, if you have a place to easily just hang the item and take the pictures, it makes it a lot easier. Okay, so these jeans are done. Moving on to the bathing suit. Okay, so here I have the bathing suit laid out. The first thing that we're gonna do is click the sell button, and I'm gonna take some pictures. Okay, so the pictures have been taken. Next, I'm gonna put the title in, and I am going to list it as black and off-white chevron zigzag push-up suit. So once I get the title in, I put done, and then I just add a little bit more in the description. And then in the category, I am gonna put swim. For the categories, you can see that they give you several options to choose from. I am going to select bikinis. Quantity is going to be 1. The size is medium. Brand is going to be exhilaration. And you can see as soon as I even start typing it, the brand like just pops up. So I can just click on that. Color, this is gonna be easy. I'm gonna select black and cream because I feel like those two are the closest. Hit done. New with tags is gonna be yes. Click done. Original price. So for the price, I'm gonna put 35. The listing price, I'm gonna put 15, and then it will calculate my earnings once sold, as you can see right there. And those earnings do include the flat rate price for shipping. And then I hit the list button, and then I can see it in my closet. So I also like to buy a lot of my clothes on Poshmark as well. I find that if I'm looking for something, maybe it's sold out, or maybe, you know, the person bought the wrong size, or maybe they just wanted to wear it a couple of times and then resell it. You can get really awesome deals on really good stuff, from anything from handbags to shoes and whatever. And the really nice thing about it is you don't get paid until the buyer receives the package and they have to accept the package. So for example, I just recently ordered a pair of Free People jeans, I think. So it got shipped to me, I got the product, I was able to make sure that it was accurately described, that the quality was there, that it was everything that I thought I was purchasing. And then once you verify that you received it and that it is what you did purchase, then you would just click the accept button, I think that it says, and then it gives you an option to provide a rating for the seller as well. So yeah, I think that it's super fair. I think that it's easy to use. I think that it's easy for the seller and the buyer, and I really love it. So yeah, so that's how I go about my one in, one out rule. I don't necessarily sell all of the items. Sometimes I could pick something that's just not being worn, it's not in good condition. Maybe I couldn't get anything more than $5 for it. Or maybe, you know, my sister or my mom, I would think that they would like it. Anything that you remove out of your closet or out of your drawer. So that's how I keep my closet and my wardrobe nice and organized, and so that it's not getting out of control. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. If you have any video requests at all, just drop them in the comments section down below. I would love to, you know, make videos on things that you guys want to see. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye guys.